So now we're going to look under the hood of a linked list. What is this thing really made of? So I'm going to start by bringing up our diagram that we've seen, and we're going to bring in a node from the right. And when we add this, when we say the 7 node points to the 4 node, and that tail is going to be set equal to that pointer and point at that 4 node, and we add this into the linked list, what's really going on there? In order to answer that question, let's pop this 4 off and take a closer look at it. In order to understand this, we have to know what is a node made up of. It is this entire thing. It is both the value and the pointer. It's not just the value, it's the whole thing. So this node is actually an object that looks something like this, that has value and next. So this is what we're adding into the linked list. We represent it graphically like this because this is easier to look at, but this is what's really going on. So when we say the 7 is going to point to that new node, the 7 looks like this. So how do we have the 7 point to this other object? We do it by just having it be equal to this object, that the next value in the 7 node is equal to the other node. That is how the 7 node will point to the 4 node. And the same is true, of course, of the 23 node and the 3 node. Let's just build this out. And the 11 node. And the 11 node, since it's the first node, that is what head points to, like this. And then we have tail pointing over here. A little harder to put that into the diagram of nested objects, but it's going to point to the last item. And we made it point to the last item by saying we're going to set it equal to the next value of the 7 node. And that points it here. So this set of nested objects is what this diagram is made up of. So let's move back over here. And this is what a linked list looks like under the hood.